I was once asked to present to a disengaged group of stockbrokers. These brokers have become accustomed to pursuing their own personal goals for individual and immediate wins. By the end of the time with them, the group had transformed into a more strategic and collaborative team, better able to look toward and prepare for future horizons together. As a result, their revenue tripled. Now, are you concerned about the future your people need to face? Are you seeking a unique way to inspire your team to prepare for the upcoming challenges? I'm Andrew Grant, and I thrive on engaging and equipping groups to ensure they can embrace future challenges with creative confidence. I do this by helping them identify the tensions of trying to juggle competing demands, such as the demands of dealing with breakthrough new technologies like AI, whilst also staying safe. My mission is to support the leaders and teams to ensure they have the strategies and tools to thrive in times of rapid change and innovation. For over 30 years, I've explored the secrets of the world's most creative-ogenic cultures, those rare environments where breakthrough ideas flourish. I've investigated why some companies, countries, and cultures surge ahead while others struggle to adapt. Because in today's unpredictable climate, it's not enough to keep up. You need to lead with creative confidence. I particularly love engaging with audiences that might be skeptical, stretched, or simply distracted, and those that say they've heard it all before. Because I believe that's exactly where the opportunities lie. I never assume that people share my passion for the topic. My job is to light the spark, to show why this matters through interactivity, playful provocation, and customized experiences that is as safe as it is surprising. When you work with me, it's not about me. It's about doing what's best for you and your organization. I'll take the time to understand your goals, and then I'll craft a session that's research-backed, highly engaging, and tailored to your audience. My clients remember and apply the original insights from these sessions years after the events, and they often share with me the immeasurable outcomes that they achieve. How do I do this? I specialize in offering keynotes and hybrid keynotes that seamlessly transition into interactive workshops, complete with the options of gamified simulations and outcome-driven solutions. For something truly unique, I can team up with my long-term partner, Dr. Jaya Grant, for a dynamic dual dialogue experience, transforming a session into a conversation and bringing contrast, energy, and momentum to an event to make it unique and special. I'm Andrew Grant.